Okay guys, for the purposes of this experiment we have the subject head, which is coated in a thermochromic paint, black in colour. Beneath that is an orange substrate to represent flesh. As a control, we're going to direct the heat energy from a radiant heat lamp onto the face and observe the effects for a period of heat of 10 seconds starting now. And that's going to count down on the video timer, and we'll remove the heat at 10 seconds, which is 2, 1, 10. And as you can see, the facial area has dramatically changed colour based on the thermochromic paint changing. And for the second part of this experiment, we've placed a clear polycarbonate visor between the subject head and the heat source. This is typical of regular polycarbonate visors that meet EN166, the arc flash part, are widely in use across a range of disciplines and believed to give adequate protection. We're going to aim the heat source through the visor at the head for the same period of time as when there was no visor there, starting now. And we'll count that down on the video timer for 10 seconds, which is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remove the heat source, remove the visor, and what we can clearly see is that the heat change as indicated by the thermochromic paint is pretty much identical to the case when no visor was there. That will indicate that the visor offers little or no protection to the radiant thermal effects of an electric arc flash. Now, for the final part of this experiment, we place between the subject head and the heat source a Paulson nanotech visor. This has an ATPV rating of 8 calories per centimetre squared. We will of course use the same period for heat exposure, which I'll start on 20 seconds on the video timer, and let's see what happens. You can clearly see that the face glows red. We're going to 4, 3, 2, 1. That's 10 seconds up. Remove the heat source, remove the visor. No discernible change to the thermochromic paint, which indicates that the heat transference through the Paulson visor is negligible, if not none. We conclude by that the only effective protection from the thermal effects, the radiant part thereof, of an electrical arc flash is the Paulson nanotech visor, exclusively available through J&K Ross Limited.